Hi, welcome to my channel. Thanks for stopping by. Today I'm going to be participating in a Pink Spring Easter Decor Challenge. And this challenge is hosted by Decorating Aunt's Place, which is Antoinette's channel. And it's co-hosted by Pretty Inspired Decor, which is Shelly's channel. And My Style, My Colors, which is Shulay's channel, and Glam Queen of DIY, which is Tammy's channel. And I'm going to list all their channels down below in the description box along with the playlist. So make sure you go and check out all their videos along with the complete playlist, and you'll find some fabulous things. Now, if you like this video, I'd really appreciate it if you give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell so you'll be notified the next time I upload a video. Now let's get right into this and let me show you my Pink Spring Easter Decor table. Here you can see an overview of my table and how pretty it looks. And right here in the back center, I have this bunny teapot that I think is just so adorable. I absolutely love this. I have this sitting on this white pedestal tray. Let me take you in a little bit closer here and show you. I absolutely love this teapot. I put a few pink flowers coming right out of the spout of it. And I actually picked that teapot up from Goodwill. And I got it in the off season, so I actually got a really great price on it because I think I got it at just before Christmas time when nobody was looking for like Easter stuff. So I got a really good deal on that. Now, here on the sides, you can see we have two "We Believe in the Easter Bunny" signs. And then I have some purple and pink vases. Those all come from the Dollar Tree. And then the Easter eggs that are in those are part of my Michael's grab bags. And then the larger Easter eggs in the back, those are from Dollar Tree last year. Now down here right in the front, I have this little votive candle that was thrifted with some green hydrangeas around it. And then my salt and pepper shaker are sitting on this green and white plate from Hobby Lobby. And then underneath that plate, I have this scarf that I actually got in one of my grab bag boxes from Michael's. And I just love having all these fun things from Michael's grab bags that I can just use for all the different seasons and stuff. So you get a chance to kind of see what I did with some of that stuff from Michael's. Just like with these little burlap bags here, I decided to take these and use them as silverware holders. You can see I put my white linen napkin down inside of it and my silverware. Now this one is yellow and white with the little gingham bunny on it. And those also were from the Michael's grab bags. And then my dinnerware itself, that is all thrifted. My stemware here is thrifted as well. Both the pinkish purple colored glass as well as the wine glass. Now my candlesticks right here next to my wine glass, those are thrifted as well. And I have one on each side of the table. And the candles I have in those ones are from Dollar Tree. Now on this side of the table, I have this little pink and white gingham bunny on the front of this burlap bag that I'm using as our little silverware bag. And then my dinnerware is the exact same, but my cup is just a tad different than the cup on the other side. Now I got this dinnerware and the cups all from Goodwill. And again, you can see my stemware here. My pink stemware I thrifted at Goodwill. And then my clear stemware I got at a different thrift store. Now let me give you a little closer look at my cup here. Isn't this so pretty with these beautiful pink spring flowers all over it? I love this. I paid 99 cents for each of these cups at Goodwill. And I just love those. I think they're so pretty. And look at these gorgeous spring plates. Again, I got these in the off season, so I will leave a link up above to, I believe I showed these on my last thrift video. Now you can see these say Garden Beauty, and these were made in Indonesia. And like I said, I think I showed these on my last thrifting video, but I actually bought these back around Christmas time. And again, because this was all like spring decor, that just wasn't the thing that people were looking for right around Christmas. So I actually got really good deals on all this stuff. Buying in the off season is definitely the way to go. Now these plates are a very heavy type plate. They're very well made. And they are just gorgeous. I'm loving this. And like I said, this cup is just a tad different than the cup on the other side. And I'll show you that cup a little bit closer in just a minute. But I love these cups with this dinnerware because it just screams spring to me with all the flowers on it. Now here's a closer look at our teapot again, and don't these pink and green hydrangeas just really pop sitting on this white tray around this teapot? I'm loving how that looks. And then these little Easter bunnies down here on the table in front of it. You can see this one has her little pink jacket on. And then this one on this side has a little lavender hat and a green jacket. And I got both of these at the thrift store. And then I also picked up these little ones down here right in the very front. I got those at the thrift store as well. And again, I'll go ahead and leave the link for that thrifting video up above if you'd like to see how much I paid for those. Now, this green and white check plate I did get at Hobby Lobby, and I got that as part of their 90% off sale. The little white plate on top of that and the salt and pepper shaker, those were all thrifted. Now I am loving the way this looks. I think it just screams Easter time and spring. I love it. I think it's so pretty, so cheery. What do you guys think? Are you liking this Tablescape? Do you think I got enough pink on it? Now I know that this side of the table, like the little burlap bag, that's yellow and white gingham. And then if you look at this cup, this almost has a little bit more of a pinkish lavender look to it, but it goes perfect with these plates. So this cup is just a tad different than the cup on the other side, but I just love the way this looks together. And then right here in front, like I said, we just have some of our green hydrangeas with this little votive cup holder that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. And then my white tablecloth is from Walmart. So the majority of the stuff on this table is either thrifted, from Michael's Grab Bags, or from Dollar Tree. I absolutely love putting tablescapes together that cost very little money and just showing you what you can do being very budget friendly and yet how you can make something fantastic looking. If you like this video, I'd really appreciate it if you give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell so you'll be notified the next time I upload a video. Thanks so much for watching.